Ticktime is an interesting timer shaped like a cube and can be started just by flipping it to the desired time. It has touch areas for adding time and even a second display on the back. It comes in a small box with an outline of the cube on the front, and around the side we can see the available countdown times. But let's have a look inside. So in the box we get a user manual in English language, the Ticktime Cube itself in black color, but other colors are available if you prefer something else. We also get a standard USB to USB Type-C for charging, and one charge gives us up to 25 hours of continuous use. The Ticktime Cube itself is made of plastic, but has a velvety soft surface that feels nice to touch. It measures only 4 by 4 centimeters and weighs 53 grams. So it's quite small and easy to bring in a pocket or a bag. On the front we find a display surrounded by 4 physical buttons and a USB connector for charging. Turning it around we find the second display, which is used as a stopwatch. One of the Ticktime's key features is that it will automatically start a timer based on which side of the cube is pointing upwards. Here it says 1, so it starts a 1-minute timer. 10 starts a 10-minute timer, and so on. If you want to add more time, there's a touch-sensitive area on each side. Tapping it will add as many minutes as is written on the top, and you can tap this area up to 6 times. If you want an even longer timer, there are some more presets written on the cube, in smaller text. They can be started by holding on the touch area, and we have 15, 45, 60, and the pomodoro mode. You may notice that the display is blinking when I turn the display upwards, and that's because it will automatically pause when it's pointing up and continue when it's put back on the side. Just remember to put it on the same side or it will start a new timer. The button in the top right corner is used to adjust the volume. Put it in silent mode or vibration mode. It's got 3 levels of volume with a sharp tone, so it's easy to hear when the alarm goes off. Timers can be set manually by using the M and S buttons at the bottom. M to add minutes and S to add seconds. The M button also has a memory function to remember your last custom timer. The top left button is a power button, but can also be used to start and pause timers. It's also got a pomodoro mode, or Ticktime cycle as it's called in the manual. When started, it takes you through up to 4 cycles of 30 minutes. Each cycle is a 25-minute timer, followed by 5 minutes of resting. And the cycle number is visible on the top part of the display. There's also a red tomato in the middle, indicating the mode is active. The stopwatch on the back display doesn't have any other functions, but it can be started by facing the display upwards and stopped by turning the cube around so the front is facing upwards. Now the front display will show the time it stopped on. Flipping it around again and it will continue. There's not much more to it, but it works well. Overall, a nice little timer that is easy to use and can be used in many different situations, like timing your workout, work at the office, cooking, and so on. Cooking an egg, for example, can be timed by placing the egg in the casserole and flipping the tick time to the desired time. If the presets don't match your need, we have the option to set the time manually. All in all, a very nice little timer gadget with presets that are very easy to use. And that's it for this video, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye bye.